What's going on, friends? Right now what we're about to do is we're about to finish up the mini bike kit. We got the macaroni monster here. What's up, macaroni monster? And we got old TJ. Alright, we're going to take this little 2.8 horse that we got off the eBay, and we're going to see if we can do it without any modifications. No modifications means awesomeness, because that was a $60 motor brand new. Alright, TJ, you ready to do this?
Yeah.
Let's get on it. So we're a fly by the seat of our pants kind of operation. So what's going on is I knew this motor would be difficult. This is like a special applications motor, and I don't want to install a jack shaft on this. You see how far that is, and there's no through bolt holes. So what I think I'm going to do is I've got a little end in the future that I'm going to be doing videos of, and it's going to be really small. I mean, as small as I can possibly get it. You know, like the Death Trap mini bike there. And I think I'm going to use it for that. And I may order a bigger motor. But right now, what I've got is the Predator out of the Death Trap sitting right here. And I told the boy he could be riding this weekend, so we're going to take my engine, and which is a little modified, but hopefully he knows how to control the throttle. Do you know how to control the throttle?
Probably have to teach me.
Yeah.
I know.
You know? That means you don't hold it wide open all the time, right?
Or you're
Right?
gonna flip the bike.
You're gonna flip the bike or run up a tree. You ever drove up a tree on a motorcycle?
Nah.
It's not fun.
It's
not fun.
I actually had my dad's best friend drive me on a motorcycle like that one, but a little bit bigger one.
But not up a tree, right?
He kept it on a car.
No, it's not cool. Trust me.
He kept it on a tree like it was.
All right. So we're gonna take the Predator engine, the 212 6.5 horse, and we're gonna stick it on the mini bike project, and probably put the gas tank back on it. Do all, you know? Yeah.
We're gonna have that thing that was right here.
The muffler. We're gonna have the modified muffler in there because it's gonna sound a little bit different. It's gonna sound awesome there. All right.
Yeah.
All right. So you're gonna have a faster mini bike than we had planned, but it's gonna be fun still, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Fun.
Against his world's last good man, across the backs of the already dead and lost, with the dying friends, the best in laughing, Latin. Days
Oh my God, got the damn thing running straight, smooth up, wipe the fuck out. It's just so damn fast, it's ridiculous. That's the boys. Here, we put my Predator 212 on there because the one I bought for him just wasn't going to work, and it needed a jack shaft and all that kind of crap. So we just used the 212 horse or cc engine, and I've got it governed way the hell down because the thing just wants to ride a wheelie. Oh my goodness, the death trap is going to kill me with an engine like that on it. Whoo! Yeah, check her out. Check her out. So that's what we ended up with. Predator 212 on there. Got the chain on it. See how out of center that engine is? Couple of things you'll need to know if you buy this kit, and I've put a link in the video. You will have to buy an engine and clutch. If you want your engine to be centered in the frame, you need a jack shaft assembly. And I don't like that drum brake. Sucks ass. Other than that, that little sucker is awesome. Oh my goodness. I did the you know, the old cliche where you're riding it and you go into a wheelie, you know, you think you're gonna hit the brake, but no, you forget the brake is even there, and then you're running behind it with your arms out and it's up, and then you fall on your ass. Yeah, oh my God, that was something. Ah, I'm hurting, fellas. Alright, well, there she is. She's together. We'll get a little bit of video of the boy riding it. I'm going to take it out here and ride it. Give you a ride around here real quick. You can see my exhaust I put on it. Done turned blue. Woo. Yeah, buddy. It's a fasted.
Little dog.